Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to turn on the sound on your Galaxy A16, all versions. If your phone has no sound, in this video we'll be checking all the sound options. The first thing you should check is to turn the volume button up, raise it all the way to the maximum, tap on these three dots, and make sure everything here is set to the maximum, okay? Swipe down twice on the right side of the screen, and here you'll need to check that this bell icon is not activated like this. If it is, you can't leave it like that, or like this. You need to leave this icon activated like this, okay? Now we're going to go into the settings icon. Scroll down to the sound and vibration option, and now you need to have this option selected. Tap here on the phone's ringtone sound. Check that this volume is at maximum and that a ringtone is selected. This ringtone is working, so I'll leave it selected and go back. Now we'll check the notification sound by going into notification sound here. The volume should be at maximum and the notification should have sound. Once you've confirmed their sound, go back. Go into system sound, and here you'll find some sound options that you can leave enabled if you want. Samsung keyboard would be the keyboard sound. Here we have the dial pad. The volume should be at maximum, and then we go back. Volume, you should check that everything is at maximum and that this option is enabled. We'll go back and now we can leave here. Now let's go in. Let me see. Okay, so let's go into notifications. Click on notification app, click on this option, and set it to show all apps, okay? I'm gonna select all here, and we'll click on the app that doesn't have sound, that doesn't have a ringtone. You'll click on the app and make sure all these options are checked like this. Everything here should be enabled, this option selected, and this one turned on, okay? We'll go back, and here then you'll check, let me see, I don't think there's anything else to check here. The last thing we'll be checking is the alarm clock icon, the alarm. We're gonna go in here. If your alarm isn't going off, you'll click on alarm, then click on your alarm, and make sure that every day or the days you want it to ring are selected, okay? Then here you'll click on alarm tone. This option should be enabled and the volume should be at maximum, or at least at this level. You'll click here on tones, allow it, and now select a tone that has sound, okay? If it has sound, you'll go back. Go back again, make sure this option is enabled, and now you'll save the alarm. If it wasn't ringing before, now it will ring. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.